Trying Chipotle's new chimichurri sauce. Garlic, chili pepper, and cilantro. Smoky, garlicky with a little tang. Not that spicy. I heard it's really good with the carne asada. Feels like I'm at a steakhouse. Oh yeah. Cream. Back to the chicken burrito. Can't go wrong with the burrito or the bowl. Carne asada with chicken. New chimichurri goes well with everything. Y'all gotta go check it out. Trying the viral cheesesteaks in Northeast Philly here at Nova. Fried onion Cooper shot on the seeded roll. Take a bite first. The roll is super soft. It's packed with meat. Added some sweet pepper. Oh my god. You have to try this. Oh yeah. Chicken cheesesteak, I can't even pick it up. Chicken seasoned well, and they're not skimming out the chicken with the cheese. Just took 2 bites, it didn't even do any damage. I can't leave without getting their pizza. Look at the glaze on here. Y'all gotta check out Lenovo. Finally trying one of the highest rating cheesesteak and pizza here at Verona Pizza. Cooper sharp fried onion on the seeded roll. I don't even know where to start. My eyes just rolled back like 5 times. Oh my god. I see the hype now. The ribeye is literally swimming in the Cooper sharp. It's the perfect roll. It's not hard and it holds everything to. So much flavor in this, y'all just gotta go try it. I can't leave without trying their pizza. Undercarriage. I like the crunch throughout the whole pizza. Nicely charred undercarriage and the crust, thin but so much flavor. Smell is onion, the mushroom, the creme fraiche. How airy the crust is. Clearly see the quality of the dough that they use. Sweet, creamy, hot. Hot honey with the ricotta cheese. Y'all gotta check them out.
Let's eat Bulldog and Wingstop. Have a bite. Alright guys, so I got the new Haunted Habanero flavor. Kind of curious to see how spicy it is. The combo with the noodles is so fire.
trying Chili's brand new Southwestern queso. Creamy, cheesy with Southwestern spices. Sweet, savory, and cheesy. Honey chipotle flavor is the way, and I love this queso. Big mouth bites. Y'all should go check it out and let me know what you think. Let's eat mash burger. Oh my god. Triple spicy mash. Hot honey. Take a bite. Chicken sandwich, seasoning on this. Love the coleslaw, the pickle, and hot honey, fries with some chicken. Hits every time. Everything's from Mashed Burger in Jersey. Look at the tenders, double smash.
Alright, peace.
We got Bodak and Wingstop. Look how good that looks. First bite for you. Look at that. Hot honey rub. Ranch. Y'all, it was really just a misunderstanding and it turned like, physical. But it's okay, y'all. We've made up. We're back talking. Like, it's nothing serious. It's not gonna hold us back. Excuse me. Like I said, y'all, we've already made up. Sisters fight. It's okay. Cheers. I would never do that again. I'm so sorry. Sorry, Lisa. Moral of the story, y'all, I just don't think people should try Libras. We're indecisive. We don't know what we're going to do. We don't know. And then you going around fucking provoking us and shit. Like, I don't know if I was going to attack you or not. I didn't know. I'm sorry. It's just hard being a Libra sometimes. Nobody understands me. Because, like, I don't even understand myself, Like, I just wish somebody was on my side, Any Libras, y'all understand? I know y'all understand. Cheers.